Kaifeng Machinery Company Limited was established in 2002, dedicated to developing cost-effective and high-performing products. The company produces high-end lathe and milling machinery. We bring the latest machinery and provide unparalleled after-sales services to more than 30 countries across Africa, Southeast Asia, Europe, and the Americas. Kaifeng Machinery designs, engineers, and builds exceptional machinery equipment. Our people and their expertise are at the cutting edge of design and development to provide complete automated manufacturing solutions and create stability and continuous manufacturing. Kaifeng Machinery is a DUNS certified business. All product series conform to CE and TS certifications. Kaifeng Machinery is dedicated to exceptional craftsmanship through hand-built and hand-finished to deliver effective lubricant application, a saddle with L-shaped slide design, excellent vibration-resistant behavior, and reduced abrasive wear. We conduct comprehensive testing from materials to finished machine, ensuring every detail is precise, safe, and compliant. All product series use roller guide to meet the needs of high speed and high stability production. Kaifeng Machinery delivers high precision, optimal performance, low abrasion forces, suitable for various processing needs. Kaifeng Machinery has both turning center and machine center production lines. Combined with automatic solution ability, we are your preferred partner to work with.